Hello my friends, I'm Duchess and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a Webtoon challenge. Let's get started. So today is Friday and my goal is to complete 10 panels in 6 hours. This sounds much more doable than the last Webtoon challenge I did. I started this challenge at 10:15ish and so it'll end at 4:15, so that's 6 hours. I don't even know what I was thinking when I tried to do 25 panels in 6 hours the other week. I literally set myself up for failure. Anyway, this time it's only 10 panels because the last challenge helped me to better understand how efficient I actually am at making my webtoon and how long it actually takes for me to make it. I guess I thought I was just doing so well that I thought I could actually finish it, but I wasn't able to. Also, the panels in this canvas are actually 2 times bigger than the usual panel sizes that I have in my webtoon, so that means I'll have to focus more on the line art and make sure that my drawings are prettier since they take up so much space compared to what they usually does. I'm so excited for this because I've been reading historical comics lately where the panels are noticeably larger than the panels I usually have. The panels are also super pretty, they have tons of details, and the line art is insane. I know I always encourage and push for more efficient ways of making my webtoon, but I also thought it would be nice to make my webtoon a little extra pretty. I also do encourage experimenting and trying new things to learn and grow as you make your webtoon, so that's kind of what I'm doing today. I spent extra time working on the sketch part last night, and so I started on the line art today. I spent most of the 6 hours drawing, trying to get the anatomy right and adding a little bit more details, and being a tiny bit more neat. I added more dynamic poses and included different angles to make it more interesting as well. I feel like that is something I really lack besides the lack of backgrounds in my webtoon. I'm not too great with anatomy and perspective, so trying to make my drawings more diverse and just different takes me so much more time. I also decided to use a smoother brush this time, which helped make my webtoon look neater. For this canvas, I have a special panel that I'll reuse in a few of the panels that follow after. That'll save me time and allow me to work faster. It's a little trick that I noticed other webtoon artists do, and I see it quite often. So if you guys don't want to do too much drawing, just make sure to have like a reference drawing in your canvas that you can reuse for another panel after. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, the only issue with that is that resizing it to make it look a little bit different may greatly decrease the quality of the art. So sometimes I have to retrace it like I did today, but it still saves time compared to drawing something from scratch. I finished the line art around 2:30 and was super hungry. I was planning to just work the whole 6 hours without taking a break like I usually do, but I couldn't last today. So I took an hour break to eat and just get back into focus. I changed the alarm from 4:15 to 5:15 so that the hour break wouldn't affect the 6 hour challenge. So it really is 6 hours and not 6 hours plus my bathroom breaks and lunch break and everything. Alright, so I colored after my break and it was much faster than the line art. The line art took up the majority of the time I had for this challenge, so I was a little bit stressed and I didn't think I would be able to get to the rendering. But I also tried to color and render from top to bottom to see if that would make the process more efficient. I'm not sure if it makes much difference, but I'll see how it goes for the next few canvases and then decide if I want to keep doing that or not. Also, this is a super sneak peek of the next month's upload, so I haven't been showing you guys too much of the canvas. It's just kind of the same panels that I've been showing you guys. Alright, so when the timer rang at 5:15, I was almost done with the coloring and had some of the rendering already done. I was actually really close to winning this challenge. Even though it seems easier than the last challenge, it was still pretty difficult because of all the different things that I tried to do this time. I'm really happy with my productivity today and I got lots done. One last thing before we end this video today, I have a special and exclusive interview episode with my main characters of my webtoon to celebrate my webtoon 1K milestone. It just uploaded today and it's about 60 panels long. Go read it to learn more about my main characters, see their gender bend, what they wore for Halloween, and just, interact with them. I also have a DTIYS party celebration that my friend recommended that I do. So if you guys want to join that, follow me on Instagram and draw my main characters in your style. That is all I have for this week. If you guys enjoyed this week's video or learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next week.